DSPy employs a declarative programming model where signatures define the input-output behavior of language model modules, abstracting the prompting logic into reusable components. This artifact demonstrates the framework's citation extraction capability, leveraging specialized types like citations and document to structure source-referenced responses. We'll examine how a custom signature class, AnswerWithSources, is defined with input fields for documents and questions, and output fields for answers with citations, then see how this signature is instantiated with a predictor module that processes the inputs using an Anthropic language model configured for citation support. The code will show the complete workflow from document preparation through to citation formatting, illustrating DSPy's type system integration with LM-specific features.
Import AS. Import DSPy. From DSPy, signatures import signature. From DSPy, experimental import citations, document. OS environ Anthropic API key equals YOUR Anthropic API key. Class AnswerWithSources signature. Answer questions using provided documents with citations. Documents, list document equals DSPy, input field. Question, SDR equals DSPy, input field. Answer, SDR equals DSPy, output field. Citations, citations equals DSPy, output field. Hash create documents to provide as sources. Docs, document. Data equals, the Earth orbits the Sun in an elliptical path. Title equals, basic astronomy facts. Document. Data equals, water boils at 100 degrees C at standard atmospheric pressure. Title equals, physics fundamentals. Metadata equals author, Dr. Smith, year 2023. Hash used with a model that supports citations like Claude. LM equals DSPy. LM, Anthropic / Claude Opus 4-1-20,250,805. Predictor equals DSPy. Predict AnswerWithSources. Result equals predictor documents equals docs. Question equals, what temperature does water boil? LM equals LM. For citation, in result citation citations. Print citation, format.
This code demonstrates DSPy's citation functionality using a class-based signature approach. The AnswerWithSources signature defines a task that takes documents and a question, then returns both an answer and citations. This pattern is particularly useful when you need to maintain traceability to source material, which is critical for applications requiring factual accuracy or compliance. The implementation uses DSPy, predict with a custom signature that includes citations as an output field. The document objects contain both content and metadata, allowing the language model to reference specific sources. When executed with a citation-capable model like Claude, the system automatically extracts and formats citations from the response. This approach abstracts away the complexity of citation handling, letting developers focus on the task definition rather than prompt engineering. The trade-off here is between flexibility and structure. While this pattern enforces citation tracking, it requires using models that support the Citations API. The class-based signature provides clear semantic roles for inputs and outputs, making the code more maintainable than raw prompt strings. However, it does tie the implementation to DSPy's ecosystem and specific model capabilities. For production use, you'd want to handle cases where citations might be missing or malformed, though this example focuses on the happy path. Let's break it down.
Import AS.
Imports the standard library, AS, module for operating system-dependent functionality, like file path manipulation and environment variable access.
Import DSPy.
Imports the DSPy framework, providing access to its core functionality for working with language models through declarative signatures and modules.
From DSPy, signatures import signature.
Imports the signature class from the DSPy signatures module, which provides the declarative specification for defining input-output behavior of DSPy modules.
From DSPy, experimental import citations document.
Imports the citations and document classes from DSPy's experimental module, enabling citation extraction from LM responses and document handling for citation-enabled workflows.
OS environ Anthropic API key equals YOUR Anthropic API key.
Sets the environment variable Anthropic API key to the value YOUR Anthropic API key for authenticating with Anthropic's API services.
Class AnswerWithSources signature. Answer questions using provided documents with citations.
Defines a DSPy signature class named AnswerWithSources that declares a task for answering questions using provided documents with citations. The docstring specifies the expected behavior, generating answers that include proper citations from the given source materials. This class-based signature will be used to create modules that can process inputs and produce outputs following this declarative specification.
Documents. List document equals DSPy, input field.
Declares an input field named documents with a type annotation specifying it expects a list of document objects. This creates a typed input parameter for a DSPy signature, indicating the module will receive a collection of document objects as input. The DSPy input field constructor marks this as an input field in the signature's declarative specification.
Question. SDR equals DSPy, input field.
Creates an input field named question with string type annotation using DSPy's input field class. This defines a typed input parameter for a DSPy signature, where question will accept string values when the signature is used in a module. The line establishes the input interface without specifying any additional metadata or constraints.
Answer. SDR equals DSPy, output field.
Declares an output field named answer with string type annotation using DSPy's output field class. This creates a typed field that will store the output value of a DSPy module, where the field name answer semantically describes its role in the signature. The type hint SDR indicates this field expects string values, while DSPy output field initializes it as a DSPy managed output field that can be optimized during compilation.
Citations. Citations equals DSPy, output field.
Creates an output field named citations with the type citations, which is a DSPy type for representing citations extracted from language model responses that include source references. This field will be used to capture citation data in a structured format when the signature is executed.
Docs.
Initializes an empty list named docs to store document objects. This list will likely be populated with DSPy document instances containing content and metadata for citation-enabled LM processing.
Document.
Creates a DSPy document object, which represents content that can be cited by language models, particularly useful with Anthropic Citations API. The document type includes content and metadata to help the LM understand and reference the source material.
Data equals the Earth orbits the Sun in an elliptical path.
Assigns a string literal containing the factual statement, the Earth orbits the Sun in an elliptical path, to a variable named data. This creates a simple string variable that holds astronomical information about Earth's orbital path around the Sun.
Title equals basic astronomy facts.
Assigns the string basic astronomy facts to a variable named title. This creates a simple string variable that can be used elsewhere in the code, likely as a title or heading for astronomy-related content.
Data equals water boils at 100 degrees C at standard atmospheric pressure.
Assigns a string containing the factual statement water boils at 100 degrees C at standard atmospheric pressure to a variable named data. The string serves as a literal value that could be used as input or reference material in subsequent processing steps.
Title equals physics fundamentals.
Assigns the string physics fundamentals to a variable named title. This creates a simple string identifier that will likely be used elsewhere in the code to represent or reference physics-related content.
Metadata equals author. Dr. Smith, year 2023.
Creates a dictionary variable named metadata containing two key value pairs, author with value Dr. Smith and year with value 2023. This appears to be storing document metadata for potential use with DSPy's citation or document handling features.
LM equals DSPy. LM, Anthropic / Claude Opus 4-1-20,250,805.
Creates a language model instance using DSPy's LM class, configured to use Anthropic's Claude Opus model with the specific version, Claude Opus 4.1.202.50805. The variable LM now holds this language model object, which can be used for various natural language processing tasks within the DSPy framework.
Predictor equals DSPy. Predict answer with sources.
Creates a predictor instance using the DSPy predict class with the AnswerWithSources signature. This sets up a module that will generate answers with source citations when invoked, following the behavior defined by the AnswerWithSources signature. The predictor is now ready to process inputs and produce outputs according to that signature's specifications.
Result equals predictor documents equals docs. Question equals what temperature does water boil? LM equals LM.
Calls the predictor with three arguments: a collection of documents, docs, a specific question about water's boiling temperature, and a language model, LM. The operation processes these inputs to generate a result, likely leveraging the provided documents and language model to answer the question.
For citation, in result citations.
Iterates through each citation object contained within the citations attribute of the result citations object. This is a standard Python for loop that processes each citation in sequence, where citation becomes the loop variable holding the current citation object during each iteration. The code assumes result citations is an iterable collection of citation objects, likely from a DSPy language model response that includes source references.
Print citation, format.
Prints the formatted string representation of the citation object, which converts the citation data, including quoted text and source information, into a human-readable format for display or logging purposes. This implementation showcases DSPy's declarative approach to citation extraction, where the AnswerWithSources signature defines a clear contract for question answering with source attribution. The signature's input fields for documents and questions, combined with output fields for answers and citations, create a structured interface that abstracts away the complexity of prompt engineering. By using DSPy's specialized citations and document types, the code ensures proper handling of source references while maintaining clean separation between task definition and execution. The workflow demonstrates how DSPy's type system integrates with LM capabilities, as seen when the predictor processes the documents in question using a citation-capable model like Claude. The trade-off here is between the framework's structured approach, which enforces citation tracking but requires compatible models, and the flexibility of raw prompt engineering. This pattern is particularly valuable for applications requiring factual accuracy, as it automatically extracts and formats citations from the LM's response, while keeping the code maintainable through clear semantic roles for each component.
The document cites the answer, but the answer cites the document. Where does the truth begin?